Birds, mammals, reptiles, and insects, including friendly pollinators, are losing Suncoast habitat acre by acre, tree by tree, wildflower by wildflower, all replaced by pavement, lawns, and a few approved species of residential landscaping plants. However, our flying friend has happened upon a dense and fast-growing forest where once was sterile lawn. Naturally, it is drawn down for a closer look.
This is a 2-year-old high-performance microforest. It used to be hot and sunny here, but now it is a cool and shady respite, great for wildlife and humans alike.
Microforests are terrific at intercepting water and mitigating red tide. They have the possibility to intercept water that would otherwise flood houses and carry pollutions into our coastal waters.
Microforests are every neighborhood's best weapon against climate change. They suck carbon from the sky into the soil to reduce global warming, provide cooling, flood protection, and calming of hurricane winds.
Reach out to Suncoast Urban Reforesters to learn how to plan and plant your high-performance microforest for your neighborhood and your own residential landscaping to help remedy the effects of climate change in your neighborhood.
Because of rapid development, the Suncoast is extremely vulnerable to the damaging effects of climate change. However, Suncoast urban reforesters and Florida veterans for common sense are working urgently to reverse this effect by mobilizing communities to plant as many microforests as possible. Please reach out to us and help us to help you to have a planting day in your community to replace the sterile turf of a residential landscape with a vigorous forest that will provide you and your successors with generations of natural protection and beauty.